Hello and welcome here. So today I'm gonna explain how to solve this easy LeetCode challenge. It's an easy one because it is really practical. The name is choose_sum. So giving an array of integer num and the integer target, return index of the true number such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input will have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. So you have some example of the input here and the expected output, and some explanation of how they find it. As you can see, if you have like 2, 7, 11, 15 and the target is 9, and if you take the index 0 and 1, you have 2 and 7, and when you add the both, it becomes 9. So the answer is correct. You have under all these example some constraints. It means that is some information about like the number of elements in the array of num. You cannot have less than 2 elements and more than 10 power 4. And you can see you have other example, and you have only one valid answer. I mean you have at least one answer and only one, so you cannot have two output from multiple output number. So I'm gonna explain a little bit about the solution. So we have our array with some number inside, and you have the target. To do this, we're gonna loop inside the array, and we're gonna take the difference that we find with the number in the array. This is the number in the array, and we're gonna store it in a place. I'm fucking bad at drawing in the variable. We're gonna see if the difference is in the hash map. If the difference is not in the hash map, we're gonna put the number in the array in the hash map with a corresponding index. And if we have found the number in the hash map, we can say that we have find two numbers that when you add it together, you find the target. So we're gonna take the index from we're gonna take the index inside the hash map and add it to the index here, and return the result in the array. And this should be the solution. So we're gonna go a code. We're gonna create a map. It's a little bit better than object. We could create something like this too. It will be used as a hash map, but use map is a little bit faster for the CPU, so it's better. We're gonna loop over the array. And we're gonna take the difference. We're gonna take target because it should be bigger. Difference up, and if in hash we confine the diff, we're gonna return we're gonna return it, and we're gonna return the index that we store that have the difference inside the hash, and we're gonna return the index too, the current index, so we have the true index of the number that makes the target. If the target is not inside, we're gonna set the number which the index, and if nothing that should not happen, we're gonna return new. Return an empty array. We can test it. Nice. It looks like everything passed, and we can submit it. Nice. Seems like the solution is accepted, and everything was all the tests have passed. Okay, so I'm gonna break down the code a little bit. So here I'm create the hash map to store the number that we have in the array with the corresponding index letter. Here we loop over the array nums, difficult, and here we compute the difference between the target and the number in the array nums. It means that we try to find the missing number to get to the target. Find missing value to target. If the target is found inside the hash, missing value, we can return the value of the index of the missing value and the current index, because when you add both the number of the missing value and the current index, you get the target, so it should be the good answer. If not, we store the current value, which is indexed in the hash map. So when the loop go over again, you can't have it. You have the new value in the hash map, and you can check if the new value or the old one are the one that you're missing. That's it. Hope this help you. That's it. I hope this did help you. And if you need the code, I will link it in the description. And if you have any LeetCode question that you need help or anything else, post a comment. Thanks. Have a nice day.